Test drive the 2018 Soul. The Soul is quick and ready with its innovative, catchy style, a sharp, roomy, and well-fitted cabin, and a comprehensive list of safety and fun features, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, privacy glass, driver illuminated vanity mirror, fog lamps, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.